In this video, I will show you how to bind chat messages in CS2, and with that in mind, let's get right into it. So if you ever wanted to send a chat message by pressing a single button like this, to do that, the first step is to open your developer console, and if you haven't enabled the developer console yet, go to your settings menu and within the game tab, you can activate the console from right here. Okay, and now let's open the console, and what you need to do is to type the command bind and then follow by the key on your keyboard you like to bind your message. Let me show you an example. For this example, let's use the Alt key. So I will write bind and then the Alt key, and then the most important part includes the command say, followed by your desired message, such as have fun and good luck guys, enclosed in quotes exactly like here. And now let's click on the enter key, and that's it. You have successfully created your bind chat message in CS2, and as you can see, it's working. When I press the Alt key, the chat message will appear. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was helpful, please share this video with your friends so they could also know how to bind chat message in CS2.